Okay, so you just got through completing your perfect squares. You're going to hear me call that your cheat sheet a lot of times because you're going to need that for the next until you get very familiar with your perfect squares. So now we're learning how to simplify radicals. We know how to do this with our calculator, but a lot of times that gives us an approximation. It doesn't give us an exact answer. So what we're going to learn today is how to simplify into radical form, which is called an exact answer. All right, so the very first thing we're going to do is we're going to find two factors that multiply to the radicand. That's the number under the radical. One of the numbers must be the largest perfect square. The largest perfect square. Okay, so let me show you how to find that largest perfect square. I will go ahead and be honest with you. Simplifying radicals in the beginning is hit and miss. It's trial and error. There's no quick and surefire way to do it as the numbers get bigger. Okay, so what you're going to do to find your perfect square is you're going to take your number. In this case, we're going to do square root of 45. And you're going to do 45 divided by 2. And that gives us 22.5. All right, so that gives us a starting point. So I'm going to go up here to our perfect squares. And I'm going to look. So 22.5 is between 16 and 25. So I'm going to start with 16. So I'm going to do 45 divided by 16, and I get 45. You're going to get 2.8125. Okay, that is not a whole number. So that doesn't help us because what we're looking for a whole number. Looking for a whole number. Okay, so I know 16 doesn't work, so let me try 9. So I'm going to do 45 divided by 9, and that gives me 5. Okay, so now I've got my whole number, so I've got my factors. So now step 2 says that I'm going to rewrite this. All right, so this is just a property of radicals that says that you can rewrite this into its factors. Okay, so we're still under the radicals. We got 45 equals, can write it into its factors, 9 times 5. All right, then there's another property that says that we can divide these. Separate these is what I should say. Separate's a better word. All right, so I'm going to have square root of 9 times the square root of 5. All right, so now we know the square root of 9 is 3. So I'm going to take the square root of 9, and I'm going to get 3, and then I'm going to keep my square root of 5, and that is my final answer. All right, so you've got an assignment in Schoology to practice this. So you need to turn to that and work on that. Again, if you have questions, always ask your crew first. If you and your crew are confused, come see me. All right, have a good luck, and don't hesitate to come ask questions. Goodbye.